how to turn green messages back to blue on iPhone. When messages on your iPhone appear in green instead of blue, it usually means that the message was sent as an SMS or MMS rather than an iMessage. iMessages are sent over the internet and appear in blue, while SMS and MMS use your carrier's network and appear in green. So in order to change that, go to the Settings app on your mobile device. And now inside the settings, scroll down and tap on the Messages option available there. Once inside the Messages, scroll down again and there you will get to see Send as SMS option available. Then also ensure your iPhone is connected to a Wi-Fi network with stable connection. If you are not on Wi-Fi, then ensure cellular data is turned on by going to Settings, Cellular and making cellular data enabled. Because for iMessage you need a Wi-Fi or network connection, and make sure that you are texting the person who has an iPhone or any Apple products or even iMessage. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.